This is the Object Manager. The Object Manager will help you build objects with their materials in both Houdini and Solaris. Currently it supports Octane, RenderMan, Redshift, MTLX and USD Preview. In this example I have a file path here and I have a texture path here. You can print the surfaces that the object has. So this object has these 4 surfaces. You can print the matching textures and it finds 3 groups. It only finds 3 groups because the lens doesn't have any textures. So how does it make the link between the surfaces and the texture? This is set up in here. Here you can select the workflow. We're going to take Object. We're going to take RenderMan. If this is enabled, it will automatically render the ACEScg textures and we run the program. And you can see it builds up the ACES texture files. We go inside the object. We go inside the material. You can see that this material is white. That's because it doesn't have any texture files. So if you look in here, doesn't have any texture nodes, and in here it has a texture node, and if we look, it is assigned to the proper ACES texture file. Now we can select as well the Solaris network, run the program. It will build the LOP network. Inside, materials inside the same, white, no texture, green textures, fills it out as well with the USD preview file. Then you can select component, run the program. If you look inside, it builds the component network for Solaris, as well as assigns all the materials to it. This is for an object, but if you only have materials, you can do that as well. Here it's pointing to a texture file, that is this file here. We go to material, it grays this out because you don't have an object. And if you try to run it now, it will give you a warning, set surface name. That's this one here. You need to set a surface name, otherwise it won't find a matching texture. You see, there are no matching textures here. You can print all the textures that it finds in the texture directory, and it finds all this. Here you can see the surface name. We copy it, we paste it in here, and then we look for matching textures. Now it properly matches the textures. We select RenderMan, run the program, and in the background it will render all the ACES texture files. We go inside the material, and here it builds all the materials. If you want to build a material for a LOP, you select it here, and you see it changed color, it made a LOP material. That's it. Bye bye.